What is up, guys? The Marshall Mix here. So today's just gonna be a meal prep. We're not gonna cook anything too drastically, hard. It's just gonna be steak. Right here, I got frozen steak, and it's gonna last me for like 2 days. And yeah, that's my 2 days worth of protein.
I usually fill up on a lot of these for my protein. I like the Equate because it just goes down pretty easy. You can drink a lot of them without getting a stomachache. At least for me, it's got let's see if I can focus this. It's got 10 grams of protein right there, and it's not bad for a little shake. Eggs are also a great source of protein. I can't really eat too many of them. I'll just get too full. We're gonna take this meat, put it in.
And while those steaks thaw out, I'm gonna do some bicep curls. Each one's it's only 15 pounds each, so this one will be like 30 pounds. And then I have these 10 pounds right here. I'm probably gonna get a lot of shit for the plastic weights, but it's whatever. Their weight, right? But yeah. One more thing, I like to focus on the eccentric contraction and just time under tension in general. I'm a big believer in just the slower you go, the more results you'll get. So it's my personal opinion. But yeah, and lifting heavy, obviously, combining everything into one unit, of a workout. But yeah, let's do some bicep curls. And now we're gonna do a drop set with these. was 10 reps. Now to do 10 reps on the other side. Sometimes you gotta loosen up your bicep too. It's all lactic acid. Sure. It's only 20 pounds, but like, man, those reps were slow.
Okay, so now that the steaks are thawed, I'm gonna cut off that visceral fat right there. I'm gonna throw it in the pan to render it. Then I'm gonna throw the steaks in there. I like to use this knife for cutting off the fat, but you know, can use something like this. But it's just because like I sharpen this thing all the time, so it keeps its edge pretty well. But it's extremely sharp and it just cuts through the fat like nothing. So yeah, it's just personal preference. Usually I do stuff like coconut oil. It's great for your metabolism. You know, it helps you burn fat a little easier, but I don't have any more, as you can see. I'm using butter right now. It's not too bad every now and then. Okay, so now that we've got the butter spread all over the pan, got my steak right here, got my pile of fat, got my seasonings, so now I'm going to throw it on there. So why I'm tilting it is because all that oil is going to gather up and basically deep fry that fat. But it's just going to, you know, speed up the process. See how the pan doubled in oil? That's what you want. So that's all the fat that's rendered. You can like do that like I said. Once all those are fried, you can just take them out and throw them away, you know. Okay, let's get the steaks now. So I'm going to let this cook for maybe about 10 minutes and then flip them. Okay, so my stove's at medium, maybe medium high, but you know, everyone's stove is different. Cook it how you like it. Flip them. Now the secret to a juicy steak is to let it rest in some aluminum foil. I typically put it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't waste this oil. Now we wait. And now I'm going to throw them in these plastic bags. So I usually use the steak for tacos or burritos, but you can eat it just like that.
Alright guys, well that's it for today's meal prep. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.